channel. My name is Kate. If you're new here, I hope you stop a while, and if you're returning, it's lovely to see you again. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Jeffree Star premium box. I have cut the tape on everything but haven't gone into it. I have protected my address with one of these things. I've seen Ray using it on Brutally Honest Beauty, and I got it on Amazon. The link for it will be down below. So let's see if I can get into this. Okay, it's well packaged. Okay, first off, there is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics empty palette. It's in pink. Just sit where you are. This was right on top. The paper around it is ripped. So let's see if I'll get into this. I'm assuming it's just a magnetic palette. Try to get into this, will take me an age. Yep, just a plain palette. I'm assuming there's going to be singles in the box then. The next item is the gloss, and it's called Slime Glossin'. So from the colour, I'm assuming it's going to be green. I love the component. Yep, it's a green. Don't quite think I'd wear that colour. I will have a look online and see what colour it swatches. It does just look like slime. Okay, the next item I have is the Lure Lip Scrub in Rainbow Sherbet. Can't go wrong with a lip scrub, really, I wouldn't have thought. Gorgeous packaging as always. The JF logo on there. Oh, trying to get the stupid hands on me. That's a greeny sort of sherbet colour. I'm assuming as it goes down it's rainbow colour, but I'm not sure because you can't see the side of the packaging, but I do like lip scrub. I have a bullet lipstick and it is in Cowboy Kiss. And the package is open, so it says it's a lip balm. So it shouldn't come out that dark then if it's a lip balm. Let's see if I can. Yeah, very sheer colour there. It looks quite scary in the bullet. But yeah, that's a lip balm. Love the packaging on that too. All pink. Okay, and then I have 3 singles. We have Snack, which is like that. We have Power, and we have Priceless. It looks like a beige colour. This one, the Snack is a pressed pigment, and Power and Priceless are both eyeshadows. Okay, and the last item in the box is this. It's wrapped up. Let's see what's in this. I have no spoilers because I don't watch any of the premium package reveals. And it is the Star Ranch eyeshadow palette. Packaging looks like that. Have a look inside. I love the packaging. And the colours are very blues and browns. This is a greeny shimmer. It looks similar to the mint highlighter that I have. Yak Farm, Owl Eyes, Open Range, Casper Mountain, Wyoming, Star Creek, Old Jeff, Grand Prismatic and Winter Wind is the names on there. But yeah, probably use that palette. It's quite neutral really, apart from the pops of blue. Not really a big blue fan, but I give it a go. You never know. Yeah, that was in the box. Star Ranch palette, a lip scrub, a lip balm, a gloss, a magnetic palette, and 3 of his single shadows. 1 is a pressed pigment and 2 are eyeshadows. All in all, good value in the box. It did take a bit longer than expected to arrive, but no customs was paid at my end, so all happy. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye bye now.